Doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm going to show you how to replace the belts on the 2010 Subaru Impresa. This is a non-turbo model, and basically in all these Subarus new models pretty much is the same. And if you notice, belts are dry, they have a little cracks on them, so I'm going to show you how to replace them. And on this case, guys, the second belt, the belt on the back that is on the AC compressor, that belt is a stretch fit belt. The only thing you need for that belt, you gotta get the tool for the installation, and you can do it if you are careful enough. You can do it without the tool, but recommendation: if it requires a tool, just use the tool, and probably you can make it without the tool. It might doesn't sit properly, and then you can wear out the inside of the belt. I'm gonna put on the link of this video where I get these belts and how much I pay for the whole thing. Okay, so first thing that you need to do, let's remove this cover, and then we can remove the cover that is on top of the alternator. That's a 10mm. Okay, second thing that you need to do, we have to get this belt loose. There is a bolt right here. Loosen this one up, and then loosen this one up. Another 12mm. And I'm just gonna measure how much the belt is gonna move. So I'm gonna try to put the new belt in the same way. And this one, it just, you have a tape measure, you put it on this side. Basically the tool, you're gonna measure with the tool right here on top. Pretty much is the same. So the belt moves about 1/4. Okay, now that you have this bolt loose, there is another bolt right here next to the alternator. See the cracks on the belt? Actually, this belt's pretty old, so it's about time to replace it. Okay, now the stretch belt, the only thing you need to do is cut it. That's the only way to get it out. Just be careful and use safety glasses for this. Okay, belt is out, and actually all the pulleys here feels really good. Next thing that we need to do, put the kit to put the belt on, and make sure that your car is in neutral. So your car is in neutral, make sure that you have the handbrake on and block the tires. Okay guys, next thing that you need to do, this part of the kit is gonna go right here on this bolt, and it comes with a 12mm. Okay, now grab your self-tensioning belt, put it inside. Okay, now that you have the belt right there, you can tighten up your tool. Now you're gonna grab the other part of the kit, and this part right here is gonna go under the pulley. It has 4 holes, okay, for service. You have one here, one here, one here, and one over there on top. So basically we're gonna put it on this hole right here. It's gonna wrap around on top, and the other part, the small one, is gonna go inside the hole. It fits right on the grooves of the pulley, And obviously make sure that your car is in neutral before you start turning the pulley, and you have to do it clockwise. We have a 1/2 inch ratchet in here, 22mm socket, and this thing is gonna get tight, but don't worry, that's the way it's supposed to be. Just make sure you keep turning. Just keep turning until the belt sits properly. Now remove your tool. Okay, tool kit is out. Let's remove the kit and check around again. Make sure the belt is sitting properly. Now let's put the other belt. Okay, now I'm gonna measure the tension on the belt. Guys, so belt is already in the right position. So now get this bolt tight. And get this one tight too. Put your cover back on. Okay guys, installation is done. Let's start the car. So that's how you install belts on these Subarus. And if you're replacing the belts, make sure that you replace them both at the same time. So I'm gonna put in the description where I get these belts and the kit and how much I pay for it. As you can see, everything works fine. I'm just gonna take the car for a test drive, see how it works. So I hope you like this video guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.